Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the black screen issue when the camera isn't working on your iPhone. Let's get started. Is your iPhone camera not working properly? Are you seeing a black screen when you open it or can't take pictures? Don't worry, I've got a couple of solutions for you. The most likely cause of this issue is a software-related problem, and the good news is it's easy to fix. Sometimes glitches or bugs in your iPhone's software can cause issues like this. To fix it, open the Settings app on your phone. Go to the General section, then tap on Software Update. Make sure you're running the latest version of iOS. Regularly updating your software can help fix bugs and improve performance. If you're not on the latest version of iOS, simply update your iPhone. Sometimes the camera app itself can have glitches, and one simple fix is to close the app and reopen it. To do that, open the app switcher by swiping up from the home screen, and you'll see all the apps that are currently open on your iPhone. To close the camera app, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and the camera app will close. Now, try opening the app again and see if that helps resolve the issue. The third solution, and probably the most effective one, is to force restart your iPhone. This will shut your iPhone down completely, close all background tasks and applications, and refresh your phone, which can help fix the issue. To force restart your iPhone, press the volume up button followed by the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button for a few seconds. The power off screen will appear, but don't release the power button. Keep pressing until your iPhone restarts. You need to press and hold the power button until your iPhone's screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. Once you see the Apple logo, you can release the power button and wait a few seconds for your iPhone to turn back on. Force restarting should resolve the issue in about 90% of cases, and your camera should stop showing a black screen. If that still doesn't work, don't worry. I've got another solution for you. Another solution is to reset all iPhone settings. To do this, open the Settings app again. Tap on General and scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. This action won't delete any of your data, such as apps, photos, or personal information. Instead, it will reset preferences like Wi-Fi passwords, wallpaper, home screen layout, and other settings to their default state. Next, tap on Reset All Settings, which is the first option. Your iPhone will perform a soft reset and the screen will go black for a few seconds. After this step, all of your iPhone's settings will be reset to their original values, and this should resolve the issue with your camera showing a black screen. If none of these solutions fix the issue, then it's possible that your iPhone's camera has a hardware problem rather than a software one. In that case, you'll need to take your phone to a repair shop to have them check the camera and identify the problem. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.